And we're all Georgian students from AI. Someone's from AI, I'm from computer science. And I'm going to start with a problem that I have a personal story with. So, sorry about that. Our logo is amazing, I'm sure you remember. So, my mom, our parents' house, we have a neighbor, and she's a very lovely old lady. Her name is Margaret, and she bought a new computer, and she had problems with it, setting it up. She lives alone, and so through my mom, I went helping her, and she told me the challenges she faces with interfacing with the computer, the mouse, the screen, and she was also telling me the challenges with her communicating with others. You know, smartphones sometimes are not so easy to use, and technology is all about people. So I came back home and I really thought about what could be done. Like that's a big problem. I felt bad for her. She's alone. Like who could ask a question? Like who could ask if she's well, if she's not well, if she's taking her medication? And I did some research and I found out that actually 47% of people who are above 80 actually live alone. And that number struck me. So there's communication constraints for people who are senior citizens and they live alone. And there's absence of reminder tools designed for them to help them. And there's also a lack of mental health resources among senior citizens. So there must be someone who has, hey, how are you doing? So our system, we're developing something that will be mainly interfaced through voice. So you don't need to go through the screen and the funny font sizes and whatnot and learn through the thing. And this will be CarePal, so it will be designed for people our main point of innovation is actually a proactive AI, where instead of you talking to the AI and it stays silent, the AI sometimes asks you, hey, how are you, my pal? Or, did you take your medication? Are you sure you're okay? And this data will be analyzed, so if there's cases or indications of mental health problem or someone not feeling well, it will be connected to a dashboard of people who are family members of the senior citizen, where they could be notified, hey, your relative, your uncle, is not feeling good, you might call him, you might check up on him. And we believe that it will solve a lot of problems. And we actually made a very nice demo for you all, something we could talk to. All right, great. So this is our website. Welcome to the CarePal. So this would be the caretaker view side of things. And ta-da, we've developed a monetization plan. It would be a SaaS business. So this is the portal, and this will represent the client side, but the speaker would be just a mic on the patient side. So something like a reminder that asks, yes, I took my medication.
Did you take your medication today?
No, I forgot to take it.
You should take your medication on time. It is important for your health.
So it's a large language model. It's very intelligent. So it does a mental health check. My day was very good. I'm very, very excited for presenting to people for my new ideas.
Hi, it's great to hear that you're excited to share your new ideas with others. I wish you all the best for your presentation. Do you want to know more about how you can improve your public speaking skills or
I think my presentation skills are pretty fine, but yeah, thank you.
Nice to chat with you and appreciate your confidence in your presentation skills.
So it's your pal, but it also has a view. So this view, it's interactive, so it will tell the people who are close, the family members, the caretakers, that if there's something wrong, and they can schedule reminders, they can schedule checkups, hey. And this has an amazing monetization model where we can work with care homes. My dad works at a care home, so we understand the loneliness that they feel, the isolation. And these people were great people who served society, where some of them were pilots, some of them were awesome, have awesome stories. And if we develop something that could always watch for them, and it could be used in hospitals as well, And it's very, very scalable because it's just a language model where you could talk to, and the data is saved through text. And our team did an awesome work of changing text into speech and speech into text. Very talented people from the Georgian AI team, the Georgian AI program. Awesome program. And so this has been it. If you guys have any questions, we'd be glad to answer.